Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of surveillance. Close observation, especially of a suspected spy or criminal. For example, he found himself put under surveillance by military intelligence. American pronunciation. Surveillance. Surveillance. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Surveillance. Say. Surveillance. Surveillance means close observation. Surveillance. Surveillance. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Their communities were criminalized and subject to excessive police surveillance. Now, repeat after me. Their communities were criminalized and subject to excessive police surveillance. The second practice. Is workplace surveillance making us comfortable with surveillance in general? Now, repeat after me. Is workplace surveillance making us comfortable with surveillance in general?
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.